हेलो गाइस। आप सबका स्वागत है नेमराज सुंधा का एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग में। फादर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग इन इंडिया प्रोफेसर मासोन वॉग। फादर ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर इंजीनियरिंग इन इंडिया प्रोफेसर मासोन वॉग 1960 और 61 में ट्रैक्टर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्टार्टेड इन इंडिया बाय फर्स्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग आइचर गुड अर्थ एग्रीकल्चर इंस्टीट्यूट इन इलाहाबाद है 1942. At present, agriculture machinery and the population initiative is about 150 millions, which includes about 3 millions of a tractor, 2.5 lakh tractor in a year, 10,000 power. Average man can develop a maximum power about 0.1 horsepower, मतलब 74.6. Average man can develop maximum power of about 0.1 horsepower, 74.6 watts for doing a farm work. First bachelor's degree course in agriculture engineering in India is Allahabad Indian Society of Agriculture Engineer ISAE 1960 at IIT Kharagpur and presently the headquarters in at New Delhi. New Delhi. ISE publication Journal of Agriculture Engineering JE Agriculture Engineering to the 80 on of the total engineer energy produced in India. The share of thermal power is about 56%, power 36%, nuclear power 16%, and the rest comes in diesel and the gas based power developed by an average pair of a bullock is about 1 horsepower is 746, 1 horsepower 746 और मैन कितना करता था 0.1 for usual farm work. The average force driven by the animal can exert in nearly 1/10 of its body weight. Average force driven by animal can exert in nearly around 1/10 of its body weight. The farm holding in India is classified as a marginal जो मार्जिनल 1 हेक्टेयर, स्मॉल 1 to 2 हेक्टेयर और सेमी मीडियम 2 से 4 हेक्टेयर, मीडियम 4 से 10 हेक्टेयर और लार्ज 10। जो मार्जिनल फार्मर वो लेस देन 1 हेक्टेयर रहेगा, स्मॉल 1 से 2, मार्जिनल मतलब सबसे छोटा, स्मॉल 1 to 2 हो जाएगा, सेमी मीडियम 2 से 4 और मीडियम 4 से 10 हेक्टेयर, लार्ज 10 हेक्टेयर। मोस्ट पॉपुलर ट्रैक्टर इज ए फाउंड इन 31 to 40 हॉर्स segment which accounts for the 60% of the total sales in the country. Thermal efficiency of the diesel engine is 32 to 38%. Thermal efficiency of a diesel engine is 30 to 38%. Thermal efficiency of a petrol engine is 25 से 32%. Thermal efficiency of diesel engine is 30 to 38%. Thermal efficiency of a petrol engine is 25 to 32%. Unit power available for the crop production in India is about 1.35 kilowatt per hour. But the desirable level of agriculture production power requirement could be about 2.15 kilowatt per hour. Biogas क्या है? Biomass mixture of methane 45 to 70% और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड 30 to 35%. Buffaloes 15 kg dung and bullock cows 10 kg dung per day and cows का 5 kg dung per day. बफेलो भैंस है जो एक दिन में लगभग 15 किलो गोबर दे देता है और बुल्लो का 10 किलो और का बच्चा 5 किलो गोबर दे देता है। बायोगैस कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू 4500, बायोगैस का कितना है 4500 कैलोरी मीटर क्यूब। सस्टेनेबल कंडक्टिव फॉर द बायोगैस प्रोडक्शन इज pH 7.8, टेम्परेचर 35 डिग्री सेल्सियस। कैटल डंग वाटर रेशियो बायोगैस 4:5 and 1:1। विंड एनर्जी क्या होता है? द स्पीड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ऑपरेशन ऑफ विंड मिल 10 से 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर। द स्पीड रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द ऑपरेशन फॉर विंड मिल 10 से 15 किलोमीटर पर आवर। द टू टाइप्स ऑफ विंड मिल, हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस एंड द वर्टिकल एक्सिस रोटेट। हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस रोटेट द एक्सिस ऑफ ए rotation is a parallel to the direction of a wind and the multiplier, and a propeller must commonly use cell type. Solar energy, temperature of the solar energy का है, temperature of the sun is 5777 Kelvin. Radiation of a range of the sun 0.4 mu n, the maximum available range, and less than 0.4 mu n is ultraviolet radiation at 8% of radiation. 0.4 to 0.7 visual radiation is 46%, and greater than 0.7 mu is infrared radiation 46%. Solar radiation received per second by the surface of unit area held normal to the direction of a sun rays at the mean earth sun distance. Its value is 1350 वर्ग watt meter square and 1.94 calories. What is pyranometer? Beam radiation direction. What is pyranometer? Beam radiation. Pyranometer. Total radiation, global radiation accurate. What is solar meter? Total radiation, global radiation minus inaccurate. What is pyrometer? Very high temperature measurement. By collecting the solar radiation three ways. By flat plate collector, temperature range is 40 centigrade to 100 centigrade. Focusing of concentrating collector is less than greater than 100 degrees Celsius. What is photoviolet cell? Solar cell directly the conveys solar energy to the electricity made of the silicon spared by the thin barrier with the conversion of efficiency about 10%. Salt content in the water. Potable water considered less than 550 ppm of the salt. Potable water contains 550 ppm of the salt. Sea water contained 30,000 to 40,000 ppm of the salt. Groundwater contained less than 2,000 to 3,000 ppm of the salt. Solar steel devices is convey the saline water into potable water. Greenhouse is a structure made of the polythene reinforced fiber to provide the control condition for the crop productions. A strong man's power equal to the 0.1 horsepower. A strong man horsepower is equal to the 0.1 horsepower. A average male power equal to 0.6 kilowatt, मतलब 60 watt. A strong man 0.1 horsepower 75 watt. और average male power equal to the 0.06 kilowatt, मतलब 60 watt. Average female power equal to the 0.48 watts. And average children power equal to the 30 watt. Animal power, average pair of a bullock is equal 1 horsepower. Average pair of a bullock equal to the 1 horsepower. Bullock animal power according to their body weight. Bullock 10% of body weight, buffalo 12% of body weight, camel 18% of the body weight यूज करता है, donkey 32% of a body weight. मतलब एनिमल पावर अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर बॉडी वेट. बुल्लक 10, बफेलो 12, कैमल 18 और गधा 32%. एनिमल क्लासिफाइड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ बॉडी वेट. हेवी एनिमल ग्रेटर देन 500 kg, लार्जर एनिमल 400 से 500 kg, मीडियम एनिमल 300 से 400 kg, स्मॉल एनिमल 200 से 300 kg. एवरेज कमांड एरिया, वन पेयर ड्रॉट एनिमल इज 2 hectares, पावर टिलर 5 हेक्टेयर कमांड एरिया और ट्रैक्टर 15 हेक्टेयर एवरेज कमांड एरिया. मैकेनिकल पावर, the thermal efficiency of a diesel engine is 32 to 38%. The thermal efficiency of a diesel engine is 32 to 38%. The thermal efficiency of petrol engine is 25 to 32%. The power tiller 7.46 kilowatt can be command about 5 hectare of a land. A tractor is 26.1 kilowatt can be command about 15 hectare of the land. Implementation pressure of the rear wheel of the tractor is 0.8 1.5 kg centimeter. Inflation of a pressure of a front wheel tractor is a 1.5 to 2.5 kg centimeter. Highest tractor production in which country? India. It was a questions. The first tractor in India was bought in India 1914 में आया था. In which year the pump set were introduced in the country? 1930 में आया था. which the high horsepower tractor were imported under the aegis of the Central Tractor 1943 organization CTO meant for the land development and the created omniscience with grasses. In which year the first degree program in agriculture engineering was starting अलावा 1942 में. The first Indian Institute of Technology IIT at the Kharagpur was established in 1951. The IIT Agriculture Engineering program was started in which 1952. Production of machinery India in descending order: pumping set, spraying and the duster, tractors, power tillers and the combined harvester. Select the equipment for the seedbed preparation. MB plow 150 mm रहेगा, 0.2 वर्क कैपेसिटी का. दिस खौरे का 600 से 1200, कल्टीवेटर 300 से 400 mm रहता है. भाकर 500, हेलिकल पाउडर 500 हैरोप्ले 1500 से 1200 होता है. सिलेक्ट इक्विपमेंट फॉर द सीड बेड प्रिपरेशन. MB प्लस से करते 2x350 साइज का रहता है. दिस खौरे का डिस्क हॉरो का 4 इंटू 2 इंटू 200 350, 2 इंटू 350 3 इंटू, कल्टीवेटर का 2000, जैसे भाकर का 2500 एंड हेलिकर पदर का 1500, हॉरो पेडलर का 5 इंटू 500। सिलेक्टेड इक्विपमेंट फॉर द सीड बेड प्रिपरेशन, नेम ऑफ द इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, पावर टिलर एंड ऑपरेटेड, रोटावेटर साइज mm 500 से 600, वर्क कैपेसिटी 0.07 to 0.011 से थे। Agreed. Tractor drawn power hour is 1.5 hour per day. Tractor draw power harrow is 1.5 hour per day. Start start type of weather, peak type weather and wheel hoe is 0.05 hectare per day. Tractor drawn power to the 1.5 hectare. Seat start type weather and the peak type weather and the wheel hoe is 0.05 hectare per day. Annual draw ship cultivator 1.75 to 2.5 hectare per day. Annual drawn and the junior hawk is 1.5 hectare per day. Engine operated weather is 0.75 1.0 hectare per day. Engine operated rotated tiller is 0.75 to 1.0 hectare per day. पोटैटो प्लांटर एंड द ऑटोमेटिक सीड ड्रॉपिंग इज 6000 से 14000। पोटैटो प्लांटर सेमी ऑटोमेटिक 0.15 टू 0.35 हेक्टेयर। application rate for the ultra low volume spray is 2.5 to 7.5 liter per hectare. Application rate for hand optimized 45 to 100 liter per hectare. Application rate for the hand compression spray 45 से 1000 लीटर पर 45 से 100 लीटर। कैंक क्या है? क्रैप शार्क स्पेयर हैंड ऑपरेटेड 0.5 टू 1 हेक्टेयर, आधा हाफ से 1 हेक्टेयर मान लीजिए। एप्लीकेशन रेट ऑफ कैंक्स स्पेयर 500 लीटर पर आवर। रॉकर स्पेयर क्या है? 1.5 हेक्टेयर पर डे। मैनुअल राइस प्लांटर क्या है? 0.25 हेक्टेयर पर डे। सेल्फ प्रोपेल्ड पैडी ट्रांसप्रेशन क्या है? 0.5 टू 0.1 हेक्टेयर पर डे। सेल्फ प्रोपेल्ड पैडी हार्वेस्टर 1.5 आवर पर डे। सेल्फ प्रोपेल्ड सिट्रस हार्वेस्टर के 200 से 430 पर आवर। ट्रैक्टर ड्रोन सिट्रस हार्वेस्टर के 100 से 230 पर आवर। Tractor operated turmeric harvester 1.6 hectare per day. Power tiller operated potato digger 0.4 hectare per day. How many kg centimeter pressure is will to operate the pump by the hand atomizer sprayer? 0.15 to 0.3, 0.15 to 0.3 kg centimeter. What is the coverage of the Crafts hand operator? 0.5 to 1. How many HP petrol engine used in Craftsman motorized the mist blower cum duster? 1.2 to 3.0 horsepower. What is the coverage of the rocker spray? 1.5 hectare per day. What is the time required for cover 1 hectare area by the ultra low volume sprayer? 2.5 hour. What is the application of the Kank specs sprayers and the hand operated 500 liter per hour? What is the container capacity of a hand atomizer sprayer? 0.5 to 305 liters. What is the coverage of the foot of or a paddle operated space? 1.0 hectare per day. What is the container capacity of a hand compression space? 10 से 12 liters. What is the container capacity of a crankshaft space? 10 से 15 liters. What is the application rate for the foot and the pedal? 110 liter per hectare. How much kg centimeter pressure is built to operate the pump by the foot or pedal operated space? 17 से 21 किलोग्राम सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। How much kg centimeter pressure is built to operate the pump by the hand compressor sprayer? 2.0 to 3.5 kg centimeter square. How much kg centimeter pressure is built to operate the pump by the crank spares? 3 से 12 kg centimeters. How much kg centimeter pressure is built to operate the pump by the rocker sprayer? 4 से 18 kg centimeters. What is the application of a hand atomizer sprayer? 45 से 100 लीटर पर हेक्टेयर. What is the application rate of a hand compressor sprayer? 45 से 100 लीटर पर हेक्टेयर. The chemical tank filled with the volume in hand compression space 75 से 80%. What is the capacity of ultra low volume expression less than 5 liters per day? What is the capacity of a high volume expression more than 400 liters per hour? What is the capacity of a low volume expression 5 से 400 liters per hour? Equipment efficiency. The tractor drone power से टीलर operated and the ground nut digger 72 से 78% in the ground nut crop. Tractor draw high capacity spike the tooth type axials and the floor grounded and the threshers for the cleaning purpose 96 to 99%. The high capacity spike tooth is a type of axle groundnut and the 97.8 to 99.4%. The tractor mold inclined the plate and the planter which shows the 3 rows of a soybean and the rows of the pigeon pea is 64.20. The tractor drone is the ringer and the seeded raised bed planter for the sowing cotton crop is 71%. Tractor molded the 6-row inclined planter in a maize crop is a 75%. Development of the equipment air slips of the boom express developed by the MPPUT. एयर स्लिप्स एंड द ब्रूम स्प्रे एमपीपीयूटी से हुआ था. ट्रैक्टर ऑपरेटेड द गार्लिक प्लांटर एमपीपीयूटी के द्वारा हुआ था. ट्विन ऑगुड दिगर एंड द शुगर केन प्लांटर पीएयू. ट्विन फेल टाइप ऑफ फॉरेज हार्वेस्टर कम कॉपर पंजाब एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी. फेल टाइप ऑफ क्लॉपर कम स्प्रेडर पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी. ए ट्रैक्टर माउंटेड एंड द rotary forward trencher Tamil Nadu Agriculture University TNU. The 3-row tractor mounted and the rotary weeders TNU के साथ a tractor mounted rotary and the forward trencher TNU के साथ power tiller mounted and the air assist CD TNU के साथ. The twin or Diga sugarcane plant is 0.022 to 0.025 hectare per hour. Tractor operated power tiller groundnut digger is 0.05 to 0.75 hectare per day. The tractor operated the 6-row incline the plate planter 0.20 to 0.43 hectare per day. The tractor drone ridge and the cedar ridge bed planter 0.27 hectare per day. The tractor operated the garlic planter is 0.35 hectare per day. The tractor operated the cutter bed type rice straw is a chopper come speed 0.35 to 0.537 hectare per day. Tractor operated the fail type chopper come space is 0.35 to 0.38 hectare. Tractor molded inclined the planter is 0.418 hectare per hectare. Tractor operated the 6-row inclined planter is 0.8 hectare per hectare. The tractor operated the sugarcane cutter planter is 1.2 hectare per day. The tractor operated the peg type bottler is 1.2 hectare per day. The tractor operated the peg type bottler is 1.2 hectare per day. Oil palm harvesting tool is 140 bunches per day. The caster sales for the selling of the cleaning caster for is 165 kg per day. Tractor operated power tiller mounted air is assisted the seed is 2 hectare per day. Tractor operated the lug wheeler is 2.5 to 3 hectare per day. The tractor operated the zero till seed is 4 to 5 hectare per day. What is the effective capacity of the coconut tree climate harvested the coconut trees per day? 45 to 60. What is the RPM speed of the rotatory unit in the 3-row tractor mounted the rotatory with 200 RPM? How much horsepower required of the tractor for operating of the tractor operated the fruit sack harvester 35 to 45 horsepower. Thank you guys.